and we join our Hollywood producer as he tackles another problem.
What do you mean we need another intern? What happened to the last one? Oh. Well, send along the usual basket. Don't worry, I'll find a replacement. Bye.
Water?
Oh, thank you. Have a seat. So, my dear niece, tell me, how long have you been working with craft services?
2 years, 3 months, 18 days.
Because you like movies.
More than anything.
And you hope to make one someday for yourself.
Yeah, it's my dream.
Terrific. That's why I want you to work on our new sci-fi horror blockbuster.
Are you serious? That's wonderful.
And the Oscar for the best writer, producer, director in a feature...
As an intern.
Okay, it's a start.
For the B-roll crew.
You know, maybe I should stick with craft services.
Oh, nonsense. The B-roll director, he's a visionary.
Wait, wasn't he the guy who remade Schindler's List with zombies?
That's right, but with incredible visuals.
He desecrated a classic.
It doesn't matter. We're not going to be using zombies anymore. Tell me, what monster has never been used in a film?
A platypus.
Amoebas.
Okay, I don't think you know what amoebas are or what a platypus is.
Doesn't matter. They're fresh. They're new. They're so sexy. It'll be huge. I bet the future of the whole company on it.
Wait, the whole company?
Yes, every last penny, including your inheritance.
My inheritance?
Mm-hmm. So, don't let me down.
And that's how the film business works. It's not what you know, but who you know.
It's the role of a lifetime.
Yeah, only because the last guy died doing it.